Hello everyone, myself Chetna, working as Assistant Professor in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. In this video, I will discuss about complaint handling in pharmaceutical industry. So first of all, how we can define a complaint or what is a complaint? Complaint is defined as a statement which is something wrong or not good enough about any product of a particular company which shows customer dissatisfaction and considered as a complaint. For example, complaint about packaging material or complaint concerning about the product. Why we need complaint handling system in a company? Because it gives company an opportunity to improve the quality of the particular product. It is helpful to maintain CGMP, which is good manufacturing practices. It maintains committed relationship between the customer and the company. It is a regulatory obligation. Every pharmaceutical industry have to set up a complaint handling system in the company, which is a regulatory obligation by regulatory authorities. SOP, Standard Operating Procedure on Complaint Handling. The main objective of complaint handling system is to lay out the procedure for investigating and reporting the market complaints of a particular product. It is the responsibility of quality assurance manager along with the manager of complaint related department. The procedure included in complaint handling have different steps, but before starting the investigation, complaint classified into different categories which help to facilitate the investigation. Three different type of complaints are product quality complaint, packaging complaint, and medical complaint. Product quality complaint are considered as non-therapeutic complaints, and packaging complaints are shortages and packaging error complaint. Medical complaints are therapeutic problems or adverse effect of the particular product. Here is a flow chart which shows different steps involved in the investigation of any product complaint. First of all, receiving the complaint verbally by invoice call, by mail, or by fax. Then forwarding the complaint to the head of QA quality assurance, QC quality control department. Then investigation started. Investigation of the complaints. After that, a report is prepared which included the product specification, complainant address, complainant name, and complainant details, sample, action taken against the investigation. After that, a specific PCR number is assigned to the particular complaint, recalls if any. Last, maintenance of register of complaint. Time period for investigation after receipt of complaint. The product quality complaint investigation started within 5 days, packaging and quality complaint investigation started within 10 days, and medical complaint investigation started within 3 days. Complainant record shall be maintained at least 1 year after expiration date of the particular product or particular medicines. Complaint record shall be reviewed and a monthly summary shall be prepared for the management. Steps in handling of complaint. The proposed handling system is in compliance with the good manufacturing practices guidelines of Europe, USA, and Brazil, and it included 4 steps. First is receiving complaint from the complainant. After technical investigation about the complaint or about the product, corrective action regarding product, and monthly report and trend analysis. Receiving complaints, it is important to have open channel with customer in order to receive their suggestion, doubts, and complaint. Every pharmaceutical industry should have open channel so the complainant can give his suggestion, doubts, and complaints regarding any particular product. And generally these are toll-free numbers, emails, chat rooms, and PO boxes. Most flexible channels are toll-free numbers and chat rooms, and a person is appointed for receiving complaints in an industry or in company who inputting them in appropriate investigation form, which is a complainant form. The investigation form include name, address, phone number, and email of the complainant, and information about the drug product, which is drug name, lot number or batch number, manufacturing and expiry date of the product, amount of the product with the problem, and detailed description of the complaint. Second step is technical investigation. After receiving the complaint, the investigation started, and as the investigation form transferred to the QA unit. The technical investigation divided into two phases. First is documentation based investigation, and second is laboratory analysis. Before starting laboratory analysis, documentation based investigation done by checking complaint file and batch record. The complainant file check how many other complaint of same nature has occurred before, and a batch record must be verified to see if there were any known conformance during the production. After documentation based investigation, laboratory analysis phase started. It consists of requesting the quality control laboratory to analyze. Quality control laboratory analyze the sample. It include complaint sample and retained sample. Complaint samples are received from the customer, and the retained samples are the reserve sample of the lot or batch manufactured in the company under favorable condition like favorable temperature, humidity and light, so the drug product was not affected. The company elect a person in quality assurance unit to be in charge of technical investigation of each complaint. A quality assurance person, a authorized person, started technical investigation, who is known as a complaint officer. Third step is corrective action and feedback to customer. For all confirmed complaint, corrective action must be implemented. After technical investigation, the complaint is confirmed, so the corrective action implemented against that confirmed complaint. These actions can range from a simple and quick training to some employed to a formal corrective action and a preventive action handling. A CAPA team is prepared for corrective actions regarding the confirmed complaint. If a CAPA is opened, a multidisciplinary team consisting of representative of QA, QC, regulatory affairs, and production management must be established. CAPA team is prepared, and it included the representative of quality assurance, quality control, and regulatory department with a production manager concerning known confirmed complaint originated from misuse or inadequate handling of the drug product. The customer should receive a written response together with scientific information on the correct use and handling. If a complaint is non-confirmed, then the company give customer a written response which included the scientific information, how to use that particular product, how to handle that product, so that the uh, product could be used. As feedback to the customer, the company must write a response letter to the complainant to explain the investigation approach taken, the result obtained, and any implication in case the quality problem was confirmed. If the complainant is confirmed, the company write a letter to the complainant which include the investigation approach taken, result of that investigation, and how the corrective action implicated. The customer should be sent a free replacement product together with the response letter, since the customer returned the product to the company for analysis and a quality problem was found. After that, the customer received a free replacement product from the company with response letter if the complaint is confirmed. Last is monthly report and trend analysis. Monthly report should be elaborated in order to evaluate the amount and the nature of complaint received and to perform a trend analysis of this complaint. Every pharmaceutical company need to maintain a monthly report and trend analysis of the complaint received by the company. It's a monthly report, and it included the all complaints received by a company in a month, which is used to perform trend analysis of the complaints. The monthly reports must answer the following question: that how many complaints did company receive in the period, how many complaints were confirmed, how many were non-confirmed, or any counterfeit temper suspicion complaint. Graphic methods are used for displaying data, and the report must be readily available mainly during the good manufacturing inspection by regulatory authorities. Thank you. If you like that video, please subscribe our channel RPIIT Academics.